Hey brats, welcome back. With only 7 days left until my big day, I'm wrapping up my DIY projects. This week I focused on my bridal shoes. You guys know I love some bling, so it's only right that I walk down the aisle in these. Check the description box below for all the supplies used. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Follow us on Instagram so you can catch any pictures I post onto my page from the big day. Also, in this project, we use E6000 glue for an extended amount of time, which is very toxic. So I just suggest that you guys either wear a face mask or be in a well-ventilated area. Okay guys, to begin our project, I'm just going to apply a thin layer of E6000 glue to the toe of my shoes. And I'm going to apply some size SS20 glass clear stones that I believe I purchased these from the Deco Craft. And of course, I'll leave that below in the description box. Throughout this project, I'll be using my crystal katana to apply my stones, but this tool is not necessary. All you need is an object with the wax tip, such as a crayon or an eyeliner, pencil, or something of that nature. And you just tap the stone and let it go. You don't have to poke it in there or anything. Just tap it and place it. And I'm just going to continue this process row by row, working in small sections until the toe part is complete. And I stuffed my shoes with newspaper because the E6000 glue dries hard. And I just wanted the newspaper to kind of stretch out the shoe a little bit so when it dries, it doesn't become too tight. Now that I'm finished with the toe part, I'll begin on the sides. Here I'm using lavender stones in various sizes that I purchased from Fab Cases. And I'm just applying a thin layer of E6000 glue. And I'm taking my smallest stone size and applying it around the shoelace hole. Now that I've completed that part, I'm moving forward with covering the rest of the shoe. And you guys, there is no right or wrong way to do this project. You basically just work in small sections, applying your stones one at a time. And that's it. There's no right or wrong way. You can do your design however you wanted to do it. I just decided to bling out the front, and then I went around the seams and bling those out as well, because honestly I didn't have the patience to continue on to do the full shoe. This is very time consuming, but I really enjoyed it. I love the results, and my children want one, so I'll be making more pairs in the future. Now that I'm done with the sides, I'll begin blinging out my letters. And here I just applied a drop of E6000 glue, and I'm smoothing it around my letters with my stone tool. And here I use vinyl for my letters, but it is not necessary. You guys can easily just write, the name or whatever you want to spell out with the marker and then trace over it that way. But for this video, I feel like it would show up better if I did it this way. And I'm just using a darker purple stone because dark purple, lavender, and white are the colors of my wedding. Now for the last step, I'll just be adding some ribbon as my shoelaces. This is 1.5 inch ribbon that I just picked up from Walmart. I took the old shoelaces out of the shoe and I measured that against the length of the ribbon to figure out how much I'll need. And I just cut it, and now I'm just lacing them up. You can do any design you want. This is just the way I wanted to do it. Again, there's no right or wrong. These are your shoes. Customize them however you want. And once I finished lacing these ribbons, I cut the edges because they had frayed a little bit, and then I took a lighter and I gently applied the heat to the edge just to seal the edges so they wouldn't fray anymore. And here they are, absolutely gorgeous. I'm so in love. I absolutely love, 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 love these. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you again in 7 days. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And follow us on Instagram so you don't miss any of the pictures from my big day. As always, guys, thanks for watching.